Good day everyone, my name is Naomi and in this kit I use rubber bands to represent particles. Each container shows how particles are arranged and move in the three states of matter, solid, liquid, and gas. Let's start with the solid model. In a solid, the particles are packed very closely together. They only vibrate in place because the forces between them are very strong. As you can see, the particles barely move. That is why solids have a definite shape and a definite volume. Some examples of solids are ice, rocks, wood, and metal. Next is the liquid model. In liquids, the particles are still close together, but they can slide past one another. Because the particles can move, liquids can flow and take the shape of their container, while keeping the same volume. Examples are water, milk, juice, and cooking oil. Now let's look at the gas model. Gas particles are very far apart and move freely in all directions. Since there is a lot of empty space between the particles, gases have no definite shape and no definite volume. They spread out to fill any container. Examples include air, oxygen, and steam. Now I will demonstrate how temperature affects particle movement. This represents a low temperature. The particles move more slowly because they have less energy. Now this represents a higher temperature when heat is added. The particles gain energy and move faster. This shows that temperature affects the speed of particle movement. My science kit can also explain the difference between a pure substance and a mixture. If all the rubber bands are the same color, they represent a pure substance which contains only one kind of particle. If there are different colors, they represent a mixture which contains two or more kinds of particles combined together. To summarize, solid particles are tightly packed and only vibrate. Liquid particles are close together and can slide past one another. Gas particles are far apart and move freely. When temperature increases, particles move faster. A pure substance has one kind of particle, while a mixture has different kinds of particles. Thank you for watching my presentation.